Alright, here is the street. I think the street looks really nice. We put the plywood down here, across this sidewalk there. We laid plywood all the way down this side yard here. We have very minimal damage. We had to pull this post here and we put it back. Let's check and see if it works properly. Opens up, closes just fine. Open it back up again. We had to do a little bit of dirt work here, but here is a patio. See this right here? This is what's called a face. This is, good, 10 inches above the ground, 8 to 10 inches right here. But look at that finish on. That's how you know you got a good finisher, is when they take that off and then they really clean up that edge and make it look really nice. It's almost like a focal point. You got the steps up there. Looks fantastic. They did a beautiful job.